Kartigai is a festival of lamps celebrated on the Kartika Nakshatram in the Malayalam month of Vrishchigam or Tamil month Kartigai. It usually falls on the full moon day in the month, and on the day all the houses, streets and temples are well lit with traditional oil lamps. The lighted lamp is considered an auspicious symbol. It is believed to ward off evil forces and usher in prosperity and joy. This festival is also celebrated to commemorate the bonding between brothers and sisters in South India, similar to Bhai Dooj and Rakhi in North India. Sisters pray for the prosperity and success of their brothers and light lamp to mark the occasion. In many households, a special lamp called Aanavilakku is lit on this day with ghee to mark the special bonding between brother and sister. For me, Kartigai holds a very special place, and this year me and Raisha are celebrating Kartigai festival with you all in our channel Cook Bake Repeat. Happy Kartigai to all. In Kartigai festival, Kartigai Puri is one of the important Nevedyam offerings other than Kartigai Adai and Neyyapam. Let us now see how this puri is prepared. We prepare this using aval puri. First, we have to clean the puri of any impurities. So I have removed all the puri and put it in a pan, and if any impurities are there, let us remove it. Viewers who have not subscribed to our channel, do click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel Cook Bake Repeat. Also, if you like this video, share with your family and friends. So, first method is to keep a thick bottom white kadai or pan and add the jaggery. For melting the jaggery, add 2 tablespoons of water also. That is just enough to melt the jaggery. We want a thick jaggery syrup. Once you see it has thickened, check the consistency by dropping a little syrup onto a water bowl. Try making a small ball of the syrup like this. Now check by dropping this ball onto a surface, and if you can hear a tinkling sound, the syrup is ready for making puri. At this point, add the chopped coconut pieces, stir in, add a tablespoon of ghee, mix well, and add a teaspoon of cardamom powder for the flavor. Mix to incorporate everything. Now slowly add the aval puri little by little and keep stirring to incorporate all the jaggery into the puri. Lot by lot, you have to add the puri so that the puri is getting fully coated in the jaggery. Switch off the flame and remove the pan from the flame. Keep mixing and let all the puri get a coating of the jaggery. Once cooled, you might feel that the puri is hardened, but not to worry. Once it cools completely, the puri will separate while mixing. As you can see, the puri is separate and fully coated in the jaggery mixture. Our Karthikeya puri is ready. Now store this in a tight container. You can prepare the puri one day before the Karthikeya also and store it in a tight jar. Now let us prepare the Karthikeya puri undai or Karthikeya puri laddu. The method is almost the same but a little difference in the proportion of the jaggery. For puri undai or puri laddu, we need almost equal weight of jaggery to puri. So first we will prepare the jaggery syrup in a wide kadai like in the previous video. The jaggery syrup has to be of thick consistency. Once the syrup has thickened, just check the consistency by pouring a drop of the jaggery syrup into a bowl filled with water and bake a small ball of the syrup. If you throw this onto a surface, it should make a tinkling sound. Our jaggery syrup has thickened. Now we will add the coconut pieces, ghee and cardamom powder. Mix well to incorporate everything and add the cleaned aval puri. Stir continuously and let the puri has a generous coating of the jaggery syrup. Mix well. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Now make laddus while the mixture is little hot but bearable. The crispy aval puri laddu or Karthikeya puri laddu is ready. So for 100 grams of Karthikeya puri, we will get around 15 laddus of this size. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel Cook Bake Repeat. Also, like and share with family and friends. Once again, happy Karthikeya to all.